Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to stop seeing videos from channels you don't like on YouTube. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. In the YouTube homepage, locate a video from the channel you want to stop seeing. Next to the video title, click on the three dots icon to open the menu. Select Don't Recommend Channel from the menu. This tells YouTube you are not interested in seeing videos from this channel. You can repeat these steps to remove other unwanted channel recommendations on your YouTube homepage. This is how you can stop seeing videos from channels you don't like on YouTube. Thank you for watching.